There is a power within you that is greater than anything that you shall ever know. It is unlimited. It is creative. It is alive. It is powerful. Never get away from the fact that you are surrounded by such a power. This power that I speak of is your own wonderful human imagination. The great fact to dwell upon is that the imagination does not need anything to help it. The imagination is self-conscious, self-aware, and has all power and ability to do whatever it wishes to accomplish. It operates simply by being. How simple the process of living a transcendent life when you know I am. I am and the imagination are one. How simple to move toward your mission and purpose when you understand that imagination creates reality. Yes, imagination creates reality. The imagination is absolute intelligence, all power, all presence, all causation. In fact, the imagination is both the ceaseless cause and the eternal effect. Everything comes into expression on account of the imagination. So everything you find in the manifest world and three-dimensional space are attributes of the imagination. Every life, every form, every power, everything is spirit. All is one, and one is all. You see, we're not living in a physical world, but in a spiritual world with spiritual laws. The imagination creates through laws. That is, whatever you feed will grow. Whatever you plant will be harvested. Whatever you magnify will be reproduced as your reality. Doesn't matter what it is. Whatever you give thought to is what you will create. And whatever you feel is what will come to pass. Neville Goddard said, "Watch your assumption with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life." Assumptions have the power of objective realization. Every event in the visible world is the result of an assumption or idea in the unseen world. Neville Goddard. In life, there are only two dominant assumptions that govern your entire reality. Only two. And at any point in your day, one of those assumptions will prevail. If you let it, one of those assumptions will dominate and determine the results and outcomes you experience. The first assumption is based on what you perceive to be happening to you. The second assumption is characterized by the deliberate choice to create what happens. And how do you create? You create from your own wonderful human imagination. Everything you experience in the external world is a projection of your imagined assumptions. If you feel like life is happening to you, guess what? You will attract unfavorable attention. The good thing is, this idea works in either direction. In that when you feel and believe your path is one of increase, abundance, and overflow, you will manifest life's good. I believe you want to experience a decided change from your current circumstances. In order to do so, occupy the emotional state, the imaginal state of fulfillment and completion. Close your eyes, imagine, and visualize the realization of your goals as accomplished facts. Believe that everything in the universe is working together for your good and benefit. Since this is true and everything depends on your imaginal assumptions, whatever you assume to be true will be expressed in your life. If you believe you can, you will. If you believe you can't, you won't. If you wish to demonstrate love, happiness, success, and prosperity, begin to think and talk about those things. See them everywhere. And don't do anything that contradicts your thought of good. See, hear, talk about, and feel only what you wish to be, do, and have. And never let a negative thought come into your mind. Get the perfect vision, the perfect conception, and enlarge your imagination by thinking of good until you realize you're good. Because as long as the imagination is, all that you behold, though it appears without, it is within, in your own wonderful human imagination. Remember, whatever follows I am, you become.